Is this my second vlog from Berlin? Oh my god!
This is the new modern art.
You know, we didn't sleep last night.
Disco, disco, disco.
Socializing, ooh. Hello guys! Guess where I am? Berlin. Again? Is this my second vlog from Berlin? Yes sir, it is. We are here for... drumroll! Dior. I will show you throughout the upcoming days what this is all about. But for now, I will just give you a little room tour, as I like to do it. Yeah, so let's just dig into it. So, we have a junior suite, and it comes with a man.
Useless man.
I thought you forgot to shave. Lol. What girl were you with? Just kidding. So we have a man, we also have a dog. I'm gonna unpack travel bag, bed, window. But I already noticed, remember the last time we had a like see-through bathroom and now we don't, so that's very nice. Yeah, I'm gonna organize myself. Oh, this is good. I'm gonna unpack. So the Dior thing is on Tuesday, but I decided to come a bit early because it was Florian's birthday, you know, one of my best friends who had his appearance in the Mallorca video. We're gonna see Florian and Melissa. We will go to a very like niche restaurant in Berlin and celebrate. Yay! And tomorrow we actually don't have plans. Time to unpack. Usually I would put it in a closet, but because I'm here for 3 nights only, I will use this little area as my closet area. Because then I can see it much better than if I have to go there open. I brought 5 pairs of shoes with me for a 3-day trip. You know, they're all different. Look, they actually are different. By the way, this is my boyfriend's suitcase and this is all he brought because the rest was for me. Wait, you didn't bring another pen?
You mean pants?
Yeah.
Yes, one short and the suit.
Look at you being Mr. Efficient. Curling iron. This I bring to the bathroom. The shoes, my friends, are already done. I have a little Dior bag because I'm here for Dior, so I brought my Dior bag. I have a little night bag for my dinners. Actually, what did I just do? I should have just left it. Okay, I put my underwear in the middle. These are tops. Here, I put sweaters. I brought a tire with me. Yes, a tire. Woohoo! Okay, this is a shirt. This needs to be steamed.
Bro, can you do that?
I think this I'm gonna wear tomorrow for dinner. It's so pretty. Berlin is not that hot though. Like right now, it's definitely much colder.
I think it will get hotter again tomorrow.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Good. Done! I didn't really unpack, but like kind of.
Can you do my stuff too?
I don't know how you like arrange it.
Liar!
Oh boy, I need to journal. Oh my god, I've been really bad at journaling lately. Like I journal way too late. This is my morning page. And we also need to upload a YouTube video.
Oh yes.
Alright, talk soon. On my way to the dinner. And honestly, I just stayed in my airport look because couldn't be bothered. But at least I put a red lip on. And I also got my new bag, Hakuraban. Honestly, I love this bag because if you want to change from day to night look, just change the bag. That's it. And put a red lip on. And there's Ruru with you again. Hey guys.
We are back.
You're back on YouTube. And you have the ring.
No, I don't. No.
You don't?
I cannot.
Alright, they're not single and ready to mingle anymore.
No. It's okay.
But we have fruit. It's our first time in the boyhood. Alright. Let's
Nice.
celebrate. Okay, we have presents.
Okay.
So we don't film all the presents.
No, we don't film all the presents. Alright, talk to you later.
No photo, but video is okay.
Okay, which one looks better?
Flo or Melissa?
And this looks very sad.
This looks sad.
This looks
Look
sad,
at this.
yeah.
Look at this.
Okay, I would switch
No,
because
but-
this is my...
We love side dishes. Like when you don't know what to order as a main, just order side dishes.
Exactly, because you can have it all. And you only get one.
One.
How do you feel about
It
this?
is really sad now. I wish I had it all.
Look, Rue's behaving so well.
I did it wrong.
Hi guys! Jürgen, what is this? Ah, okay. So here we have a museum and this we need to check. But it's a beautiful day. You know, we didn't sleep last night. You may wonder why. You may not care. It's actually really hot here. So Jürgen and I wear cold sleepers. We need really, really cold room temperature. Well, and the AC was broken, so we didn't sleep because we're just like sweaty and hot. Like I was so hot, I couldn't even fall asleep. You know, when I tried to fall asleep, I was like, oh my god, I don't want to wake up and, you know, vlog in Berlin with like a really bad mood. I don't want to do that. And today I woke up, even though I didn't sleep much, I am in the best mood ever. So I think my brain remembered that I told it, don't be upset tomorrow because you didn't get your full sleep. And now we're here, we're happy, we're excited. We're gonna find a lunch spot now. Let's go. Okay, that's my full look. Black top, green shirt, Vuitton bag, Vuitton glasses, and Kim Jones Converse. Okay, I'm really hungry. We have to go. It's funny because we're gonna go past a bridge where I took a photo once, and that was a really bad photo, and that's what I still remember from like 4 years ago. I remember I took a bad photo there. Isn't it weird how our mind works? This is the bridge, and you probably don't remember the photo, but I do. It's so funny because every photo that I ever took, I have it linked with like emotions, and this is the bridge. This is where it happened. I mean, this is everything. Have you ever seen such a beautiful bow? I have my daughter here. No. I love you, but don't steal my food. She wanted the I can't chill on the menu. Aww. Good morning, guys!
Good morning, guys!
We are having a Zoom meeting
Whoop, whoop.
with the team and Rue. Are you meeting with us? Honestly, another day where I'm like so grateful for technology because this is kind of like, think about it, before COVID we never really did Zoom meetings. Like even when we traveled it was more like texting or calling, but now we have this luxury of really good technology and I think that's something to be grateful for today. So I'm wearing my Celine hoodie and pants and I think it's so cute. Hi! Okay, I just got ready and I'm about to film TikToks. We're doing some get ready with me for Louis Vuitton. And it's a bit weird. I mean, not weird, but I have a Dior lunch. And I also have the Louis Vuitton show today. I mean, it's digital, but I have to prepare content for both brands really fast because we will be picked up in about an hour. And I have to do 2 TikToks, 1 Instagram photo, and then I do another photo there. And I will YouTube all of it. So let's go.
What are you up to?
Just looking like a bubblegum. Honestly, I'm feeling this look, but you know, I have to take a photo, so I was like, I can go outside like this, but I can also be unbothered and try it here. And we tried for quite some time, and I thought it's really cute if I have like one eye closed. And Jürgen didn't get it. He was like, what are you doing? Are you a pirate or what? So I was like, and also I can't wink. So I'm like, he's like, what are you doing? What's wrong
Yeah, it
with
was a
your
little
face?
bit disturbing, to be honest.
But it turned out quite cute, you know, I'm like, I'm spontaneous, I'm fun, I'm Louis Vuitton.
No.
I'm so hungry. And the worst is if you work and then some things are annoying you, like storage is full, we cannot find the right spot, la-di-da-di-da, we don't have time, and you're hungry and you have to deal with it. So I rather eat a bar now than...
Breakfast, for example, when you had the chance.
Not really, because I didn't have my favorite Stulle. And also, like 1 hour ago, I wasn't hungry at all.
It just happens over, like it's a thing of seconds.
Honestly, I feel like whenever I say I'm not hungry at all, my stomach is like, watch me, I swear. Like when friends ask me, are you hungry, shall we eat? I'm like, no, I'm totally not hungry. I feel like it's the moment before you get hungry. You know what I mean? The moment before you get really
Not
hungry.
only hungry, like it's becoming hangry
Yeah.
real quick.
Yeah.
I mean, not with me, it's more you.
No, it's me, for sure. So yeah, Dave didn't...
Didn't let us know to eat. He didn't schedule breaks properly.
Exactly, Dave. What the fuck? What kind of boss are you?
Oh my, I haven't been recording.
No. It's red. So funny. And this is what I deal with every single day. I don't have time for this. Okay, I'm here for Dior, and I have a Dior lunch to attend and then like an exhibition. So we are picking now a Dior look, and I haven't decided yet. This is what I can select from. So it's quite intense, and I don't care what options I have. Like, I don't care. There's no way I'm not going to wear this. It's so extra. Like, I cannot not wear it. You know what I mean? Like,
It's intense.
This is so insane. And it's like a 1 p.m. lunch. I don't care. I have to wear this. I'm gonna layer it with this. Excuse
I mean,
me?
this I really like, to be honest. This looks, love Dior, but I think this is
Jürgen has an issue with silver things.
Yeah,
I don't know why. I
honestly.
love silver things. Like, I think this is a sick jacket. Imagine with like a pair of black pants, you know? Like, this is sick.
Xenia sometimes confuses the word sick with tacky, but that's just her.
Okay, another thing that I want to clarify, because I used to be like, oh my god, that's so tacky. But you know what? Tacky is not always bad. It isn't. Like, there are some brands that have a bit of tackiness, and that's what makes them cool. You know, tackiness is not always bad. Like, we need to make tacky fun again. It's
Sounds
all about fun.
Sounds fun.
You're not having fun. I mean, look at this.
No.
Look at this person trying to tell me something about style. Okay, I mean, that we can define as tacky. Would you say it's tacky or it's fun?
I mean, this morning just came to me. Super fun.
See? It's tacky, but it's fun.
You're tacky and no fun.
Like, this is what I deal with every day. This is bullying. I'm gonna complain today. I need to like pull some looks real fast. Okay, this will be one look. I'm just gonna take it all and I'm gonna improvise because,
Improvise.
yeah, this is how I work.
Wow, look, the sparkles on the ceiling.
Ah, that's nice. I need to be spontaneous. That's when I'm my best. So this TikTok is gonna be fun. Like, my TikToks are actually fun because I never like.
What did you find there? A sock and a pantoffel?
What I love about TikTok, it's actually me getting dressed. Like, it's not I plan the outfit and I'm getting dressed. It's actually me getting dressed. Like, I cannot prepare all of it. You know what I mean? Like, I love to be spontaneous. So now let's try to nail it.
We will put the TikTok link in the description and you can see the result.
Today, my fashion is all about fun. So I decided to go for the most extra Dior look. But honestly, oh, I just showed you. The jacket is so good. And even though I'm like super overdressed, I haven't dressed up in a year. So I'm really in the mood for this situation. So I think it's cute. What do you think?
Me?
Yeah,
I really, from all the things, I really love it.
me too. All right, we're going to the lunch now. I think it's my first event in a year. Really nervous, actually. I'm like socializing. Ooh, I hope I still get it. What is happening? What is happening?
Disco, disco, disco.
Typical lunch look in Berlin. Lady Dior as seen by
Lady Dior.
for you. Today we have a tour guided by Mila.
To the exhibition for Lady Dior. Let's go. There's another special lady in Berlin.
Hey, Lady Woo! This is Jeremy. He is a photographer and a dog sitter. We are in a gallery, right?
Yeah, it's an exhibition, so it opened some days ago, but it's still an exhibition.
So it's only temporary.
Yes, it's a temporary exhibition, but
I love
it's
how I'm
about-
asking you as if you know what it is.
I've never been, so it's our first time we're all going here. That's why we are invited. But it's about my favorite brand, Dior, and you can all come and visit it.
I love how you said it's our favorite. Ah, no, it's my favorite brand.
I know you have some other favorites, but
I
you know,
have a lot of favorites.
yeah, like some.
I'm a woman of a lot of favorites.
We're wearing the famous Lady Dior bag, which is art in there.
Look.
We're wearing art. This is the new modern art. It's a very nice sculpture. You can put it into your garden.
Okay, so we're in your palace.
Yes,
Would you like a tour?
Yes. Wait, we do the whole like welcome to my crib.
Come on in, MTV crib. Yeah, edition.
Show us what you got. Wow.
We call it a yoga studio. If you're more into HIIT workout, we can do that here. We lay out some yoga.
Do you actually work out here?
Yeah, you've seen my videos.
Yeah, but like you never know these days. Is it just for the gram or?
Here's your material.
Oh wow, these are some heavy machines. I got distracted by the bags. Celine, Chanel. This is really cool. We have this one here. Look at her.
Oh, they're friends now. And the boys being boys.
Yeah. I love that you can actually walk around. And then we have this balcony, and they also have the balcony over there with like a chill out place. This is my chill look that I'm gonna put on. Okay, I just changed into my cozy look. Cozy! And we're gonna go to the dog park. Hi Brenda! This is the famous Brenda. And look at this! Oh my god, this is so beautiful. Okay, let's go up. Oh my god! Oh my god! This is so nice! Congratulations! Hi Summer! Okay, so we're at the Rebecca store.
Rebecca store in the heart of Berlin.
And it's really cute. So what's like the concept?
So basically, I mean, Berlin is known for being really edgy and hardcore, but this is a little oasis of femininity.
Oh,
so
I love
if you're
that.
coming for some ruffles, want
Colors.
to show some pink in your feminine side, this is where you come.
These are so cool. It makes me really excited for summer.
Yeah, summer is
Look
the
at
season.
this.
Is like her
I'm
season
obsessed.
also.
I have such a huge obsession with knits right now. I am also into pink now. Oh my god. This is so cute.
Wear it with bottoms or without?
Oh my god, I
Up
need
to
to
you.
try this. I used to hate pink, and since like 2 months I've had the craziest pink obsession. I think it's like what lockdown did to me. So we're gonna go for this with the orange bra, and I think this is really cool. Okay guys, my pink obsession is real. I mean, this is so cute. I'm obsessed. I am obsessed. It's like sexy, but not too much. I even wear it the wrong way. I will have to change it, but this color, oh my god, so cute. Look. Got a little shopping haul.
Xenia's making off with some clothes.
Oh yes. It's midnight, way past my bedtime. And we just got home. We watched Germany lose. It was fun. I forgot how much fun it is to watch soccer. It was a really nice evening with friends, and now I'm going to bed. And honestly, I was supposed to fly to Paris tomorrow, but we might extend. You'll see what I'm gonna decide to do. Bye guys! Thank you for watching. See you!